Unlock your potential, proven strategies to boost self-motivation. Do you ever feel stuck, unable to take the first step? Procrastination steals your opportunities. Start small. Break tasks into bite-sized pieces and tackle one at a time. Remember, even tiny progress moves you closer to your dreams. Action sparks motivation, so take that first step today. In a world full of distractions, how do you stay on course? Eliminate the noise. Design a daily routine that prioritizes your most important goals. Protect your focus, your dreams depend on it. Small, consistent efforts compound into massive results. Stay committed, even when it feels tough. Vague aspirations won't get you far. Set clear, specific goals with realistic deadlines. Visualize achieving them. Whether it's landing your dream job or building meaningful relationships, having a roadmap empowers you to take charge of your future. Remember, big wins start with clear intentions. Motivation isn't magic, it's built. Find your why. What truly drives you? Use positive reinforcements, celebrate milestones, and surround yourself with supportive people. Your mindset can either build or block your success, so choose one that feeds your ambition every day. Your potential is limitless, but only if you take steps to unlock it. Start small. Start today. Share what you'll work on in the comments, and remember, you're capable of extraordinary things. Don't wait for motivation to come to you, create it, and watch yourself thrive.